Here we've got VIVO Y33s, and let me show you how to remove all the settings from this device. So to perform a system settings reset, just open the settings, go to system, pick reset options, and here you've got reset all settings. And we truly want to restore some function settings to defaults, including settings for function switches, personalized settings, and content field. And during setup, just tap on setup, reset all settings, sorry. Just confirm it again and wait a couple of seconds until it's done. And within a couple of seconds your device will be rebooted and you'll be able to customize it from scratch. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.